Right, we've got our next felicitation, and this is for the Orthopedic and Joint Replacement Surgeon of the Year. And the felicitation goes to Dr. Ravi Sankar Katragadda.
Dr. Ravi Sankar Katragadda is acclaimed as the best doctor in orthopedics and joint replacement surgery with over 2 decades of transformative care. Renowned for his expertise in joint replacements and trauma, he combines advanced skills with deep compassion. His pioneering work in Andhra Pradesh and Odisha revolutionized orthopedic care. A dedicated mentor and compassionate physician, Dr. Shankar exemplifies excellence, delivering personalized, patient-centric treatment that restores lives and inspires future surgeons.